So yesterday when I pulled my transfer case off, a shitload of oil, I won't say a quart, but a crap load of oil came out. And so I'm suspecting this seal here is bad. I know when you pull the transfer case out, oil's going to come out because the shaft slides over top of this and seals, so there's a gap. But yeah, there shouldn't have been any oil in there. Anyhow, I got it out. I'm going to replace the seal. Ooh-wee! So if you look at it, there's a space right here, and then there's a weep hole that goes behind the transfer case, or behind the transmission right there. So if it leaks, it'll let you know. And something's been leaking for a while because I got all that crappy oil. So yeah, we're gonna replace it. It's easy to replace. This should just pop out. If not, I'll get the ripper outer. To complete this job, just gonna need the seal, 19601 from Napa. 20 bucks, kind of pricey, but Napa know-how. Some ultra gray, that's what I use on oil sealant. A pick, I found this in a parking lot, so it's handy that it was just here. A rag, solvent of choice, acetone. And I always use a screwdriver to pull the seal out, but yesterday I bought one of these fancy things. We're gonna give it a try. I've never used one before. Usually a hammer and a screwdriver gets anything out you need. Never used one of these fancy things before. We're gonna try it. Oh, look at that, pop. All right, so we're gonna let this drain because it's imperative that you get a good oil-free seal. And while it's draining, I'm gonna get some brake clean to clean this thing up. I'd say you should clean this area with the pick, but there's no RTV. I really believe that is the original seal. So the only thing worse than watching paint dry is watching oil drain. So we'll come back later. It's been about 10 minutes and it's still dripping out. So I'm gonna take a little brake clean. I'm not gonna spray it directly on there. I don't want to get it inside the transmission. I'll spray it on my rag. I'll have to look on my transfer case. There should be a paper gasket here that's supposed to keep dirt out, which it looks like it did a good job because I don't see much dirt in here. All right, we're gonna let that drain, and I'm gonna put a rag over top of this just so no rodents or birds or anything fly in there while it's draining. You know, I'll probably go get lunch and come back. All right, so it's been draining for a couple hours. Went to McDonald's, got a McChicken value meal. It's about the best thing they got going on. Rag of acetone. It's gonna clean up the mating surface in here is nice and clean, which it looks to be. Okay, so the new, well, still got some oil coming out. Now we're gonna let it drain some more. So we're gonna try it again. Here's the seal. It's got the nice flat hard side. The inside's got like a little ring lip. You want this on the inside, the flat side to the out. And then just a little press in. Ah, fuck. You shouldn't have to. Whoa, don't pop out that way. You know, I don't think it needs a tappy tap, but I'll be damned if it doesn't feel like it. Let me get something a little light to tap on it with. Teeny tiny block of wood.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Alright, let's see what we got. Against my better judgment, I got a ball peen hammer. Or a body hammer. Seal is not seating. Oh, fuck. Alright, I see the problem. I fucked up the seal when I was putting it in and did that. So apparently when I bought my seal yesterday, I bought the last seal in the lower 48 states. Because when I went to Napa today, they didn't have it. They could order it. Went to O'Reilly's, same thing, they could order it. AutoZone and Advanced Autos, same thing. Nobody had it in stock, so gotta wait a couple of days for the Napa to come in. And, well, give me a couple of days off to relax and chill out.
One eternity later.
Part 2. A little bit of RTV on the seal. Got a habit of putting too much RTV on everything. Let's try this again. This time I'm going to try to get it in evenly and smoothly. Ta-da! Success! Well, there you have it. Transmission output seal. For a seal, it was kind of pricey. It was like almost 20 bucks. Buy 2, return 1 if you don't use it. Easy to do. Came out real easy. Went in fairly easy. The first time I kind of wasn't paying attention and messed it up. That was my bad. Just go slow, even. You'll get it. Got some time to kill? Check out my podcast, 10 Minute Off-Road Podcast. It's a podcast for the off-roader with a short attention span, where I just babble on about my Jeep for about 10 minutes. Let's face it, if you watch this, you're a glutton for punishment, so you go listen to that. Got some more time to kill? Check out one of my other fine videos. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. If you got something to say, leave a comment down below. I love interacting with people. All right. Thanks for watching.